Hi everyone, welcome to the Digital Dynamo Lab. Today we are learning about input and output devices, the tools we use to interact with a computer. Let's get started. What are input devices? An input device is a piece of hardware that helps us enter data into a computer. Some common input devices include the keyboard and the mouse. Let's explore them one by one. Keyboard. The keyboard is a simple device made up of keys. Each key represents a letter, number, or command. It's an essential input device used in both computers and laptops to type and give instructions. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. It lets us click on icons and open files and programs. It has three buttons on top and a trackball underneath to help move the pointer. On laptops, we use the touchpad instead of a mouse. Next, light pen. A light pen is a pen like device that can be moved directly on the screen. It's sensitive to light. Microphone. A microphone captures sound and converts it into electric signals, which the computer can process. Scanner. A scanner takes paper documents and converts them into digital images that appear on the screen. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is an optical scanner. It passes light through a barcode and sends the details to the computer screen. You have probably seen this used in shops and supermarkets. What are output devices? Output devices give us the result of the computer's processing. They convert machine language into human readable form. Examples: monitor and printer. Monitor. A monitor displays what's happening in the computer. Monitors vary in size and resolution. A higher resolution means sharper, clearer images. Many monitors today are flat screen and support touchscreen technology too. Monitors connect to video cards that display graphics. Basic computers have standard cards, but advanced cards can display 3D visual and handle more memory. Some users even install a second video card to use two monitors. Printer. A printer is a device that creates a hard copy of next text or pictures on paper. For example, an author can write a book on a computer and print it out using a printer before publishing. Speakers. Speakers let us hear the sounds from the computer. They can be built in or connected separately. You use speakers for music, videos, and system sounds. Projector. A projector shows images or videos on a large screen. It's commonly used in classrooms, auditoriums, and movie theaters. When connected to a computer, the same content appears on the big screen. Headphones. Headphones work just like speakers, but the sound is only heard by the person wearing them. They are also called earphones or headsets and are great for private listening. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand the difference between input and output devices. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more tech lessons.